Oh my God, I'm 50 and I finally figured out self-love. It's not about perfection, it's about being raw, real, and authentic, and embracing who we are. So I dare you to join me on this journey. I'm Tina, and you're watching Unfiltered Self-Love.
So a goal is like, I want to accomplish losing 10 pounds. A lifestyle is I'm going to sustain, keep my weight off, and feel good about myself for the rest of my life. So there's a thing about like goals for diet, goals for being happy, and a goal for financial freedom and all of that. Why can't it just be your lifestyle? Why can't you just come together and say, this is what I want for the rest of my life? So for me, it's like a goal. So I used to be an alcoholic years ago, and I just decided one day I'm not going to do it anymore. And I haven't, and I maintained. It was more of a lifestyle for me than, oh, I miss it. Oh, I want to drink. Oh, I want to. It's more about, I don't need it anymore. I don't want it. Same with weight loss, same with like the self-love, same with loving yourself. It's like, do you choose to overeat, like eat a whole container of ice cream, which I could? I've done it. Or would you say, actually, I love myself a little too much. I will just have a bowl, or I'll just have a bite, and I don't need that much into my body. And your body loves you for it. Like, how would you feed? Well, some people don't feed their children very well. Not a good example, but it's like, how would you feed your children? Is for me is I would like my children to have healthy food, a healthy lifestyle, happy memories. So a goal is okay to have. Maybe you have a goal to earn a certain amount of money. Great. I mean, that's definitely a really good goal, but why can't you just earn the certain amount of money consistently? It's life. It's like enjoying your whole life. It's consistent and keep improving every day. Like, I am better today than I was yesterday. So a week ago, I was sitting at home doing nothing, eating a bag of crisps and sitting in front of the telly. And did I feel good? No, not at all. But did I continue that? No, I stopped, and I'm continuing self-love. So always asking the question, if I want to lose 10 pounds and keep it off, it's not a goal to lose 10 pounds. It's a lifestyle to lose 10 pounds and keep it off. So how do you lose that 10 pounds is everything. Because if you just say, I'm going on a diet, then that doesn't work because the diet ends, goals end. But if you want to sustain or improve, once you hit this milestone for your life, you want to keep improving it.